How to fix tire pressure sensor fault on a Ford Explorer. Before doing anything else, check all Ford tires using a tire pressure gauge. The correct PSI is usually on the sticker inside the driver's door. So inflate a low tire, release air from an overfilled tire, and the big difference between tires can trigger the fault as well. Cold weather can also temporarily trigger the warning because in hot weather the air expands, making higher pressure in your tires. In cold weather, the air contracts, making less pressure inside of the tires. Step 2. Drive the vehicle. After correcting tire pressure, drive above 30 miles per hour and continue for about 10 to 20 minutes. Many Ford Explorers automatically relearn tire pressure during driving. Third, reset the TPMS system. So turn ignition on, but don't start the engine. Hold the TPMS reset button, wait for the TPMS light to blink 3 times, release the button, and then start the vehicle. The reset button is usually under the steering wheel area. Now if the fault stays on, you may need to retrain the sensors. Turn the ignition on, press the hazard light button 6 times quickly, wait for the horn honk, and then start with the left front tire, right front tire, right rear tire, and then left rear tire. Some models require releasing a little air from each tire during relearn. Step 5. Check for a dead TPMS sensor. Signs of a bad sensor. Warning flashes first, then stays solid. One tire pressure never updates. Fault appears randomly. System works sometimes and then fails later. TPMS sensor batteries usually last around 5 to 10 years. And if this is the case, you're going to need to replace the sensor. You're going to have to take it to a tire shop for this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.